So one of the things I like about Datacoves is the fact that we have the full power of VS Code. So here's a use case that you may not come across every day, but when you need it, it'll be very handy. So imagine I have a file here. Let's make a new file. Let's call it important.sql. So I have an important file here, and let's just do something simple. Okay, so I have a file here and I have not committed it to Git, or maybe I have committed it to Git and I'm making changes, but I don't commit those changes throughout the day. So somehow I delete this file. So let's go ahead and delete it. Okay, so we're gonna delete zimportant.sql and my file is gone. And let's say I closed it, so I don't have it anymore. And now I remembered that I did need something in there. Or maybe, like I said, I changed the file and I want to go back in time to restore to an earlier point. Well, VS Code saves these for you. So there's a local history. So there's a command here, local history, find entry to restore. So if we click on that, now I can type the file name, and now it gives me the snapshots that I have for that file. It was a new file, so there's only one, but if I had been changing the file, there would be multiple snapshots. And so there it is. And you can see it's just showing me the history view. If I want to restore it, I actually have to click over here and I can say restore, and I have my important file back. So like I said, this may not be something you need every day, but when you do, you'll be happy you know this trick. Talk to you next time.